Hello friends, today I will demonstrate how to identify a Hero Lectro Charger. It's an easy three-step process to diagnose if the charger and its primary cable is working, as well as ensuring a correct 42 volt output to the battery. We need a basic multimeter to check the volt socket, primary cable and Hero Lectro Charger. Connect the charger to the wall socket. If there is no green LED status on the charger, we need to first check the wall socket and its primary cable output. If the charger LED status is green, you can skip the step number 1 and 2. To check the wall socket, it is important to prepare the multimeter with the correct AC mode setting. Insert the black probe to the common port of the meter showing COM sign. Insert the red probe to the voltage port showing the voltage sign and set the range to 750 volts AC. Step number 1. Checking the wall socket and primary cable supply. Insert the multimeter probes to the wall socket. The output reading on the multimeter display between the range of 220 volt to 240 volt AC. This means the wall socket supply is correct. Step number 2. Let us now check the primary cable by inserting the multimeter probe to the primary cable. The output supply of the primary cable should also display between the range of 220 volt to 240 volt AC. This step will ensure the primary cable is not faulty. Now, step number 3. Check the charger 42 volt output. Set the multimeter to the 200 volt DC. Insert the red probe to the inner side of the charging pin and the black probe to the outer side of the charging pin. If the multimeter display is not showing an output between 40 to 42 volt DC, contact the Lectro customer care for the replacement of the charger. Thank you for watching. Contact the Hero Lectro customer care team for any further assistance.